Narrator, ever wondered if you can dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading using PayPal? Well, today, we're diving into that question, specifically for the Kraken exchange. Scene transition to a futuristic, neon-lit cityscape. Narrator, Kraken, with its reputation for security and a wide range of cryptocurrencies, has become a popular choice for traders. But does it support the convenience of PayPal? Let's find out. Section 1. Understanding PayPal and Kraken. Scene transition to a simple, clean whiteboard. Narrator, before we dive into the compatibility, let's quickly recap what PayPal and Kraken are. PayPal is a widely used online payment platform that allows you to send and receive money. Kraken, on the other hand, is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. Section 2. The direct connection. Scene transition to a person typing on a laptop, showing the Kraken homepage. Narrator, now, the million-dollar question, can you directly link your PayPal account to Kraken? Unfortunately, as of now, Kraken doesn't offer direct PayPal integration. This means you can't deposit or withdraw funds using PayPal directly on the Kraken platform. Section 3. The workaround, buying crypto with PayPal and transferring to Kraken. Scene transition to a person looking at their phone, showing a cryptocurrency exchange app. Narrator, while there's no direct link, there's a workaround. You can purchase cryptocurrencies using PayPal on other platforms and then transfer those coins to your Kraken account. Step-by-step guide. Choose a PayPal-friendly exchange. Look for platforms that allow you to buy crypto using PayPal. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance.us, and Gemini. Purchase your desired cryptocurrency. Use PayPal to buy the cryptocurrency you want. Transfer to Kraken. Once the purchase is complete, transfer the cryptocurrency from the PayPal-friendly exchange to your Kraken account. This typically involves using the wallet address associated with your Kraken account. Section 4. Security considerations. Scene transition to a person securing a computer with a lock. Narrator, while this workaround is feasible, it's essential to prioritize security. When transferring cryptocurrencies between exchanges, double-check the wallet addresses to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Additionally, always use strong, unique passwords for your accounts and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. Section 5. Fees and considerations. Scene transition to a person reviewing financial documents. Narrator, keep in mind that there might be fees associated with these transactions. Both PayPal and cryptocurrency exchanges often charge fees for deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Be sure to research and compare fees between different platforms to find the most cost-effective option. Conclusion. Scene transition back to the futuristic cityscape. Narrator, so, to answer the question, does Kraken allow PayPal? Directly, no. However, by utilizing other platforms that accept PayPal, you can indirectly purchase cryptocurrencies and transfer them to Kraken. Remember, security should be your top priority, and understanding the fees involved is crucial. Closing. Narrator *. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.